This week, Greenleaf Season 3 premiere was held at SCAD Show in Midtown Atlanta, and 106 Live Radio was there to capture all the excitement. I'm your host, Symphony Thompson, and this is The Recap Room. Okay, so it all started Tuesday night as over 300 die-hard fans filled SCAD Show to catch the Season 3 premiere of Greenleaf. Merle Dandridge, Deborah Joy Winan, Lamont Rucker, Lynn Whitfield, and Keith David were all in attendance to participate in the Q&A moderated by V103 radio personality Ramona DaeRae. Following the Q&A, attendees got a chance to take photos with the cast during a post-event meet and greet. But it didn't stop there. The very next night, Black Women Film Network hosted a members watch party. Little did guests know that several cast members will be joining them to enjoy a live broadcast. Talk about memorable moments. Special thanks to BWFN, 135 Agency, and the Oprah Winfrey Network. Greenleaf airs on Wednesdays at 10/9 Central on OWN. Once again, I am your host, Symphony Thompson, and this is The Recap Room.